The next disease I would like to talk about is Hairy Leukoplakia. Previously we were talking about plain old Leukoplakia, now we're on to the hairy type. So the definition of this type of white lesion, it's characteristic and the most common lesion in HIV patients. That's patients with human immunodeficiency virus, and it's also found in post-transplantation patients. The etiology of this disease is usually the Epstein-Barr virus, EBV. The clinical features is a benign. This is important because previously when we're talking about plain Leukoplakia, we did say that it was a precancerous lesion. However, this one is a benign, white, asymptomatic, elevated, meaning if the skin is here, there's an elevation which is higher than the level of the skin, and irremovable, so that means we cannot remove this plaque, as you can see here on the side of the tongue. So it's slightly elevated, it's slightly higher than the rest of the skin, and irremovable, and it's in the form of a patch. So it's not as large as a plaque, however you can see it is a patch on the tongue. It's found bilaterally, so on both sides, on the lateral margins of the tongue, and it may spread, so there is a possibility for it to be spread despite being a benign lesion, to the dorsum, so that's underneath the tongue, and the ventral surfaces, so above and below. The surface of the lesion, so right here, has a vertical orientation, but it can be flat and smooth as well. So this lesion can take on several types, subtypes. So either vertical or flat and smooth. So this slide is again a continuation of the previous. We're still talking about hairy Leukoplakia. I'm going to tell you about the lab tests for this disease. As previously, we also use histological examination, in situ hybridization, PCR, the polymerase chain reaction, and electron microscopy. These all help to diagnose this type of lesion. The differential diagnosis is chronic biting, lichen planus, uremic stomatitis, and others. The therapy for this lesion, usually none is required, but in some cases, acyclovir and valacyclovir, which are antiviral drugs, have been seen to cause an improvement.